Hello viewers, welcome to another video of our channel. In this video series, we are solving problems using pandas in Python. We are basically solving problems from the angle of data analysis. So today the problem that I am going to solve is a chocolate, and it is also taken from analysebuilder.com website. You can see the problem. Let's read the question first and then try to solve it. It's an easy level question. We can see from here. The question says, I love chocolate and only one delicious baked good that have chocolate in them. Write a query to return bakery items that contain the word chocolate. Okay, so we are given a table that is bakery items, and the table has only one field or one column, that is product name. So that is text in data type. If we want to see, this is the table. The first item name is double chocolate donut, the second one is sweet loaf. The thing that we have to do, we have to extract out or have to fetch out only those items where the word chocolate contains. The second one is chocolate, the first not the first one contains chocolate in the middle, the fourth one contains chocolate in the front. So we have to write a query or we have to write a script in Python so that the items that contains chocolate, only those items will be shown in the result set. So we understand the question. Now let's go to solve the problem. So as always, we have to import pandas as pd. That's the standard way of importing panda. If we want to work with panda, then we have to import pandas in this way. And now it's written here bakery items, the table name and dot head. So if we run the code, we can see the first, by default we can see the first 5 items of the table. Okay, we are just confirming whether the script is correcting working perfectly. So we have to solve the question. Now what we will do, okay, let's think like we have only one table and one column, isn't it? Okay, if we just go in this way, we can see if we have only one table and one column. So the thing that we have to do to work in with any column of a table, we have to first select that column of that table. So in pandas, what we do, we first write the table name. If you watch my previous videos, then you can understand that easily. In my previous videos, I also solved this question where we use this type of problem, like import, we select tables, columns from a table to work with that specific column. So that's the thing that I'm doing here, exactly same. Okay, I'm selecting the table. I have written the name of the table, and in the bracket I will write the column name. Okay, so what's the column name? Product name. And this is the standard way, like we have to write it inside the bracket and under the quotation. If I just run this, that's the simple thing. Like from here, we can see only the table, isn't it? The table, the column, the table has only one column, so the table is being shown basically with the index number on the left side. And if we want to see it on the table view, we have to add another set of brackets, then we can see it as given format table view. Okay, we are not interested in this fact, we are just checking whether it's working correctly. We are interested what? We are interested about whether this column, the items of this column contains the word chocolate or not. So for that, what we have to do, we have to pass another, there is a function that is called contains. We will use that function to fetch out only those columns. Okay, so what we have to do, we will use a function that is str.contains. Okay, and this is not exactly a function, like this contains a method in Python where the brackets is used, str.contains, and what it will do, inside this parenthesis, the thing that we will provide, it will fetch only those things. Okay, so if we just write, we have to use a quotation mark here, and what word we are interested in, the word that is given here, chocolate. So we will write this chocolate If we don't write it, we can just copy and paste so that we don't can do any spelling mistake. Okay, if I just run it, then let's see what it shows. It's kind of a boolean masking where the word chocolates is found like str by string and contains chocolate in only those cells. It's showing true. The first one is showing true. The first is like the in Python always the indexing is just with 0, so this is the 0 is the first one, and that number 3 is the fourth one. It's showing true, but we were interested to get only the name. We are we are seeing here only the boolean masking. So to fetch out the names where the condition is true, only those names, we have to write the table again. Table name, I'm writing the table name again, bakery items. Okay, now we have to pass the whole thing inside a bracket. Bakery, okay, bakery items, and everything is inside the back in this inside that bracket. Now if we run it, let's see what it shows. Okay, now we are getting our desired output. Product name, double chocolate, chocolate banana muffin, peanut butter chocolate pound cake. So we are basically getting three items where the chocolate what chocolate contains. Okay, so this is the solution. Let's try it. Okay, we can see this is working perfectly. So this is basically the solution of our problem, and it's that kind of easy. Just we have to know this keyword